Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cynthia and you're welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I'm back with another episode and I know it's been a while, child. I've been a bit busy. I'll do my best to be consistent. So for today's video, I'm going to answer some random questions while doing my makeup. So stay tuned for it. So my eyebrows are done already and I'm just going to start with my eyeshadow. So I'm applying my concealer on my eyelid. First question goes, how are you really? I've been doing great. It's just doing life as usual, as a normal person should. That's all. I've been doing life. Life is not doing me, I run things, things don't run me.
So I'm using that blush color for my transition shade on my eyelid.
What are you most grateful for? I'm grateful for a lot of things like life itself, my family, and everyone in my life. Yeah, I'm so grateful for them and everything that's going on in my life right now. I feel like I'm doing better. So I'm grateful for all of that. I'm just tapping in that eyeshadow. It's blush, but I'm just going to use it as eyeshadow. So I'm just tapping it on my eyelid and blending it out. The third question says, do you believe in true love? Of course I do. Do I? I do. Yeah, I do. I think most of the time when we are asked, do you believe in true love? We always think of the romantic relationship only. I feel true love does exist. There are many ways of looking at it apart from a romantic point of view. Yeah, it does.
So after applying my transition shade, I'm going in with that color and later apply a black eyeshadow.
For those shades that I'm going to apply, I'm going to start applying them from my outer corner. And also the black eyeshadow, I'll use it from my outer corner. Tell us the story of your first kiss. The story of my first kiss. Ewo. Who was my first kiss? I don't I do remember, but anyway, there's this guy who was pursuing me. We were so young. So there's this day we met, and after talking, he made a move. He kissed me, and I was just there, standing. I didn't even know how to kiss. Surely, I was so young. So he was doing the work, like I was just there, and he was just kissing me. Imagine. So ghetto. I wiped my mouth after that. Come on, don't judge me. That was it. Just tapping the black eyeshadow on my outer corner. Just a little. What irritates me about the same-sex, my gender? I don't like the fact that we females, we don't give each other the benefit of the doubt. Most of the time when you meet a friend, if she's a bit mean to you, you just conclude that they don't like you, they hate you, and they're jealous of you, which is not right. They could just be having a bad day just like any other person, like it's normal. But for us ladies, and I think it's something that I think we've been raised like that, to always think that the next female is jealous of you. And I feel like we were not taught from a younger age how to be how to nurture friendships as females. Most of the time, or even most books that you come across, are always about how to get a guy's attention, what to do when he doesn't reply, what to do when he doesn't this, what to do when a man does this. I've never like there are very few books that talk about how to nurture female friendships. I think as females we are told, like, we've been raised to think that the only relationship that matters is the romantic relationship. So when it comes to friendships, we're not always invested, and we don't know what to do when we have arguments with our friends or anything. And you'll even find females who are in good friendships preaching like fake friends, fake this, fake da 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 da, and yet they've got good friends. So I don't know whether it's just something that's instilled in someone to always think that females are female friendships are bad or something. Like, I don't get it. It really irritates me. Like, come on, give them the benefit of the doubt.
I'm applying concealer on my inner corner and I'm just going to tap it in.
The next question is, do you have any regrets? No, I don't think so far there are no regrets, but just lessons, yeah. I'm just going to tap in that concealer on my eyelid, and make sure you apply just a little concealer for this step. So I'm going to apply that shade on the area that I applied my concealer. Are you an introvert or an extrovert? I'm an introvert, period. What kind of parent do you think you will be? What kind of parent do I think I will be? You will be a good parent. A parent who validates their kid, who I have it in my mind figured out. Someone said raising imaginary kids is so easy. Like, you always in your head, like, I'm going to be this kind of parent. I'm never going to let my kids do this, da 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 da. But when it's time to raise the kids like you have them, it's something different. But I know I'm going to be a good parent. I don't want to go in details, but my kids are going to be lucky to have me as a mother. So I did my wing liner off camera, and right now I'm just going to do. Do I shy away from such topics? No, I don't. In fact, I enjoy conversations around them, and yeah, I do. I really do. And I want to know in the comment section, do you shy away from such topics, or you enjoy them? Like, and if you shy away from them, can you tell me why? And maybe in real life, you are really enjoying the act. Can you please tell me why in the comment section? So I applied concealer on my face and I'm just blending it out. What realities or truths are you in denial about? That's an interesting question. The world is not going to be kind to you every time. Yeah. Even if you're a good person, there are days you're going to meet the worst of the worst people or circumstances Yeah.
Why you hanging on the roof all by yourself? I have an open invitation, but you're telling me go get lost. I don't wanna see your face. Yeah, what the hell? So why don't we stay?
For the highlighted areas, I'm going to use this shade. I'm going to use that shade for the highlighted areas, and for my contour, I'm going to use this shade. The next question says, what are you most likely wrong about? Wow. I always thought that, yes, I'm going to meet this guy and he's going to know how to love me and he's going to do everything right, without saying, like, he's just going to know what Cynthia wants without me communicating. Nah, it doesn't work like that. When you meet someone, you're going to teach them or communicate how you want to be loved. Let them know your love language and everything. Your love language is different from their ex's love language, so you have to communicate. It's the soap operas that we watch, or the cartoons or something, I don't know, that taught us that you're going to meet this Prince Charming and they're going to know how that you're going to meet this Prince Charming and they're going to know how to love you, how to do everything, and they're just going to get it right. No, it doesn't work like that. And that's something that I was so wrong about. And when I talk about knowing how to love you, I'm not talking about the bare minimum, like to take you out for date. Now you're sounding like you're forcing things. No, I'm not talking about the bare minimum. I'm talking about the major things.
Two wrongs can make a right. We're just doing what we feeling right now. So
So I'm just going to take the last question, and it's a would you rather. Would you rather have a baby without a partner or a partner without a baby? Guys, what's this? What kind of question is that? No, I don't know what to answer. Would you rather have a baby without a partner or a partner without a baby? Damn. I think I would rather have a partner without a baby. No. Okay, I'll go with have a baby without a partner. I'll go with that. But guys, tell me in the comment section which one would you prefer? Because this is tricky. I think that's my last question.
camp in the parking lot. Need traces of plastic cups. We're just doing what we feeling right now. So what the hell? Why you hanging on the roof all by yourself? Always waiting for the one, but I got news for you. I'm the best that you can get. So what the hell? Yeah, what the hell? So what the hell?
So guys, I did my lashes off camera and this is the final look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment and like. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, most of you are not subscribers. Please subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.